Have you ever called a repairman to your house to fix something just to find out that you now have to call another repairman because it's something else that's the problem? In the mechanical industry, a situation like that could cause downtime, profit loss, and depending on how long it takes for the technician to get there, if they have the parts that they need to fix the problem, it could cost a lot of money. So their solution was mechatronics. I'm currently finishing my last class for my mechatronics AS that I should have done by the end of the year. Today, we're going to talk about what mechatronics is, all of the different aspects of mechatronics, and the benefits the field provides to the mechanical industry. Let's start with what is mechatronics. According to Mohammed Melali, the author of Mechatronic Systems, Design, Performance, and Applications, that was published in 2018, the word mechatronics was first used by engineer Tetsuro Mori in Japan in 1969. He also wrote that mechatronics is a multidisciplinary area of study combining mechanics, electronics, computers, and automation. He mentions that mechatronics is a synergistic collaboration among these fields of science involves a high potential for accomplishments and achievements now accessible to a wider variety of engineers. In other words, mechatronics gives companies the ability to have one technician fix all of the problems, if not most of the problems, on one machine. When I first started my classes, I was excited to learn about all the different routes you can take in this field. I thought the most accurate way to portray all that mechatronics covers was to take a look at my own course catalog on volstate.edu. In mechatronics, you take a wide variety of classes that cover a lot of information in a very short amount of time. My first year started with electrical components and mechanical components of electrical motors, as well as motor control mechanics and machine elements and process control technologies. The rest of my time in the program, I went on to learn about electro-pneumatic and hydraulic systems, digital fundamentals, and programmable logic controllers, along with totally integrated automation, automation systems, manufacturing applications, AutoCAD, and electrical control systems. Now that we know what mechatronics is and what it involves, we can look at the benefits of the mechatronics study on the mechanical industry. In one of my first classes with Dr. Dean, he told us something like the study of mechatronics is everywhere, from the traffic lights on your daily drive to the elevators that you may get in every day. I learned that as technology progresses throughout the years, it became more important to have technicians that can fix problems on site instead of waiting for someone else to come, and like we mentioned earlier, causes downtime and profit loss. Considering one machine will have so many different components, a mechatronics technician could troubleshoot a full system, including wiring issues, programming issues, issues with a pneumatic line, or issues with a sensor. An on-site employee that has completed a mechatronics program would be able to solve any of those problems. In conclusion, mechatronics is an ever-evolving field that will only benefit from further research and study, so flexibility is required in this field. Now that we have covered what mechatronics is, the components of the mechatronics, and the benefits that mechatronics has on the mechanical industry, I hope we all have a better understanding of what goes on behind the scenes to make the mechanical industry more proficient.